It's your girl MV Goldie and I'm back with another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I edit my YouTube thumbnails, and if you'd like to see it then stay tuned. Before we get into it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. So I'm going to be making a thumbnail for this video that I'm making right now. So I would like to go into PicsArt to get my photo. For yourself, you can use your own photo depending on your video. You can use a picture from Google, but for myself, I'm doing a how to edit your thumbnails video. So I'm gonna go on PicsArt and search for a photo of an iPhone. So once I find the photo that I want to trim around all the excess white. For this part, I do use an eraser app just because it makes the crop a lot cleaner. So I'm just gonna press the erase button and I'm gonna press target area and just press on all the white so that it would give me that clean crop. You can also crop it manually through the PicsArt app, but I just wanted mine to be specifically neat, so I use the eraser app. So now I'm gonna save the photo and I'm gonna bring it back into PicsArt. So for this particular video, since the background has a bunch of apps on it, I want to search for a plain background, so I'm gonna type in glitter. I found a glittery black box background, which is like perfect for what I wanted. So I'm just gonna take that sticker and adjust it to cover up all the apps on the phone. And now I'm gonna click on the text button and I'm gonna type in whatever I want. So again, for this video, it's how I make my thumbnails. So I'm gonna type that in. As you can see, you can edit the sizing, you can edit the layout completely, from the font to the colors, everything. This app lets you edit everything. So after I get the font to my liking, I'm gonna adjust the color. And now I'm gonna click the call out button. It's just because since I'm using an iPhone, I want it to look like a text message conversation. So I'm gonna click on call out. So after I adjusted my message bubbles, I wanted to add a subscribe button, so I went back to press sticker. I typed in YouTube and I searched for all the YouTube buttons, and they had this nice subscribe button which I wanted to use, so I clicked it and adjusted it to my liking. And now, since I am satisfied with my final results, I'm gonna press save and I'm gonna press download to my phone. And this is how I make my thumbnails for all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. And I'll see you guys in my next video.